Babies, it's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell somebody's mother, tell their cousin too that we're lady over here. I just love saying all of that. Like, I know it's probably extra, but I just love it. So y'all got a package from Amazon. Am I the only one that feel like Amazon got me in a chokehold and it's just like, give me your money, give me your money, give me your money. Like, seriously, I just be up like, ooh, what is that? Need it. Ooh, I can use that. Like, so y'all, we got a little package right here. Stuff just be falling. Stuff just be falling, y'all. I'm trying to. And this is gonna be probably like very small because I didn't order nothing big. Oh wow. Heard some shavers. Some shavers. I don't know what's in this box. More shavers. They were like $2 and $3. The big Silky Touch. Yeah, I'm old fashioned. I still shave, y'all. I ain't never had a wax before. Probably not gonna ever get one. I'm old fashioned, just like the shave. We got About Body. So these are 2 blades. These are 2 blades too. And these are pivoting razors with vitamin E and aloe. Y'all know what I mean. The words be just running together. So y'all, I had purchased 2 purse straps. I thought this was so cute. And I want to say it was only like $6 or $7. And it extends, it goes very long. But I thought the print was like so cute. Very artsy, very artistic. And then y'all, this is also a purse strap. So y'all know, if you know, you know, back in the day, Amazon used to sell dupes. Now, it wouldn't say like the specific, well, sometimes you could get it because I'm going to show y'all a purse that I actually purchased from Amazon way, probably about 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah, 2 to 3 years ago. So they used to have to, you know, put the dupe names under certain names, but you would just click on one. They would just start populating once you scroll down. But y'all, I came across this. I'm going to try to link everything down below if it's still there. Y'all, why I come across this Fendi dupe purse strap? Oh, y'all, my sinuses, allergies still messing with me. Y'all, I thought this was so cute. It is a little darker in person because it seemed a little lighter on Instagram, on Amazon. But y'all, this is a dupe. It doesn't have Fendi on it or anything. The hardware is gold. It does extend pretty long. Let's see. Yeah, I can definitely work with it. So pretty long, as y'all can see. And actually the size, it don't have the size. But I'll link it down below. But it came in this, don't this kind of look like the Gucci? How they be putting their stuff in the little green little thing. Kind of like the Gucci packaging. But y'all, back in the day, I had actually purchased this off of Amazon. Y'all, and I think it was like 40 or 30 bucks. I have yet to wear it because I'm just like, this is something you dress up like, so cute. Minus the pom-pom, because the pom-pom might throw it off and make it more a little casual. But y'all, I had purchased this because I was like, this will go with this. The coloring is slightly off, very off, because this did come with a purse strap, but I don't like the purse strap that it came with because it's, let me see, it should be in here. Because it's like, it's short. Like, it came with this, but it's short and it don't extend. So I'm like, maybe this is just meant to be carried as a shoulder bag. Or maybe like on the crease of the arm. But I'm just like, I don't carry my bags like that. So I figured, hey, why not? Sometimes you may want to wear something crossbody, and you can actually take this off, this top handle. Y'all, what is that? I don't know what that is. And maybe I could, let me just see. I'm curious. Could it go? Could it not go? No. Those is two different color browns. And I'm not going to send it back because it was only $12, but I'll find some use for it. Dang, man. See, sometimes stuff on Amazon can be a little deceiving. It's okay. It's going to get some use. I'll put it on a Louis Vuitton bag because it's around the color of Louis Vuitton bags. I'll put it on a Louis Vuitton bag. And will. So yeah, y'all, this is my little mini haul. It was not even a mini. It was like a snippet of a haul. And I really just wanted to show y'all this purse strap that they actually sell these type of purse straps. This was only $12. They didn't have any other color, but they had this one. Y'all know they also carry like the Gucci dupe one. And that's all I really wanted to show y'all, but they don't even go. I'm disappointed. But yeah, y'all. This was a disappointment, but it's not going to go to waste. But I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.